To download apps, go to App Store and then just choose anything you want. In the App Store, go to the search button there and then search siphon or VPN. They'll bring, if you tap in VPN, it'll bring the different types of VPN. And for my case, I want the siphon. That one has unpaid version. It's really good. And then the other secure VPN and other types of VPN, anything you want. You just go to the search there and search. So you see a VPN for iPhone. I like this. I'm going to try to get it. Tap on get and then it will start to download. It will bring the double tap or double click to install. You tap the off button on the iPhone 13, double tap, and then it will start to download it or install it. You give it some time. It is downloading, and once it's done, just tap on open, and then it will come here, agree, and then agree and continue watching videos, social networks, safe browsing, others. Just tap on all of those depending on how you want to use this VPN. Social networks, I want for social networks, and others, faster VPN services, hide your IP, avoid data steal, whatever you want. Just choose what you want and it will be good for you to go. Secure on your Wi-Fi, browse without limits, and then once you're done, just tap next and it will give you a free version, 7 days free. And then you tap here, press to connect, and it'll bring the next page. Just tap allow and allow, and then it will lead you to the page that needs you to confirm with the language. And then I selected English and I tap next and next, and it'll bring that. You just say allow your phone to accept the VPN settings. You'll need your passcode and then insert the passcode, and then it'll bring this page. Tap next and it will be allow, and my siphon is connected on the iPhone 13 Pro. And then the other one, you can do the same. And then once you're done doing that, it'll be done. That's how we installed apps on 13 Pro, and we were able to also connect the VPN. Thank you so much for watching the video.